Hey guys, welcome to another review video. I am Apuro from boggymaker.com. Today we are going to see Vidperk review. We are going to see the demo of Vidperk. We are going to tell about who is the perfect candidate for Vidperk and the special in my bonuses. Okay, so I'll pick some special bonus for Vidperk only, and the secret that I am going to tell you that nobody going to tells. Okay, so I am at the dashboard of Vidperk, and in a nutshell, Vidperk is a video retention software. In this software you can stick people with your videos, and that way you can rank your pages on Google. I don't think that software will help you in YouTube, because after making the video from this software you didn't download it on YouTube, so this software not going to rank you on YouTube, and definitely you can rank in Google itself. Okay, because after making video with this software the bounce rate will be less, and how that way you can increase your video retention. So video retention is actually simply how long do people stay on your videos and watch your videos. So you can increase video retention in just a few clicks. No need to change and your business method, no need to change your strategy, no need to work on an extra hour. So you need to show them the traction of your reward, and they will automatically stick with your videos. So how it work? Okay, so let's see. In the dashboard, we are here at the dashboard of Vidperk, and after logging you will redirected to this page, and very simple to navigate. Okay, so if you want to make any campaigns, just click on new campaigns, and after that you just select the name, best tool. Okay, so after that you need to video link. Okay, you need a video link. You can select any kind of video link from YouTube, from Vimeo, any kind of platform. Okay, so I'll select a video from Vimeo, sorry. Okay, so just put it here, and this is the best part is you can reward banner. You can put your reward banner in full screen video, or you can select your reward banner on the third fourth of video. Okay, so I will select third fourth. Okay, after that create campaigns, and you can see we are at the first step, and in just 3 steps you will make a reward in the video. So this is looking like this, the reward banner. Okay, so you can select from pre-made templates here. You can select any kind of templates here, so I will select this one. So you can see the templates is looking like that, and you can change everything. You can change the text, you can change the button, you can change the place. Okay, so you can change the buttons also. I will change the button here, so I'll select the watch now button, and I'll select the play button. Okay, so that is it. After that you need to save and click on next. So we will at the step 2, and you can select here add time for reward. So you can stick your customers from here. Okay, you can select the time. So how much time they have to watch for your videos to take the reward. So you can select here the time. So I'll just select only 30 seconds for demo purpose. So you can select any kind of time. You can select 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, any kind of time. Okay, so you can timer here. You can select the timer style, any kind of style. So you can change the color of this timer. I'll select red. Okay, so you can change the front. You can change the front color. You can bold the front. Okay, so you can change the position of this timer. So you can change it from top left, bottom right, bottom left, any kind of. Okay, I'll select top left. So you can see the top left is here. Just save it and click on next button, and after that, after 30 seconds they will see this template. Okay, so you need to make again another template that will be shown in after 30 seconds. So you can add any image here, you can add videos, you can add text, gifs, backgrounds, buttons or elements, any kind of particle you can add. So I'll select just button here, add button. Here you can add this kind of button, because you need to just click your videos, and they will redirect it to any kind of URL. So you can add any kind of URL here. So I will select google.com. okay, PS. Okay, so I'll just click here, click here. You can change the color of button. Okay, make it green, black. You can change the button width, you can change height, you can change button text size. Okay, after that you just add any kind of text here, add text. You can change the text format. Congratulations, you will get this reward. Okay, just simply very simple to navigate and very simple to make. Okay, so I will make text size little bit more. Okay, let's take this thing. Okay, and the bottom part, I think button will not working, so add any button. Delete it, again make it. Okay, URL is https google.com. click here, don't know why it is not working. Click here. Okay, so you can change the button color, you can change the text, you can change width, height, button size, text size. So I'll select little bit more. Okay, so after that next, and your plate is complete. So here you can see the preview. I'll show you. So here you can see the preview. Okay, so this is the embedded code, HTML code. You can copy that code and place it in your website or pages anywhere. Okay, you see here you can see that you didn't download this video and upload in your YouTube channel, so you didn't increase your retention in YouTube and rank further. That will be a backdrop of this software. I have to say it. So after 30 seconds we'll see after 30 seconds we'll see that after 30 seconds the new pop-up will become, and you have to click on this pop-up and you can redirect your customers to the sales page or any kind of reward page that you going to give them. So you can see this very simply and very effective software. Okay, so let's see the bonuses. But okay, 7 seconds, 5 seconds, let's wait for it. So here you can see that you have to click on this button and you are redirected to another page. So this is it, and let's see the bonuses which you get with my software. which you get with my link. Okay, so my first bonus is WP dollar 3.0 reseller rights. You can get reseller rights with this software. So my first bonus is, so WP 3.0 is the most powerful store builder on the market for Amazon. Go from Amazon newbie to autopilot cash in 9.7 minutes or less with this revolutionary new WordPress plugin. Create full Amazon stories on autopilot, no tech skill needed. So this software will be delivered to you. Next is social news. Social news reward customers for sharing content, build your list, and create a powerful social notification system just like mobile push notification message your users anytime on any devices. The only viral traffic plugin you will ever need. Turn any video or content into a list building machine in 3 easy steps. My bonus number 3 is VidRank News. With VidRank News, you are guaranteed to rank your videos, and once you've done that, you can easily track your ranking with rank trackers and spy features. You can not only track your videos ranking and current positions but you can also spy on your competitors and see what they're ranking and what they are doing to keep ranking. Okay, so my next bonus is Curation News. Curation News allows you to turn others people red hot content into your own unique traffic generating content in seconds. In just second, you can create your own unique curated content that you can use to rank in daily free traffic from social media, Google, in your emails and more. So in these 4 softwares I am going to give you, you have to click on these links and you are redirected to this page. Okay, so I will show you another the fifth bonus is all the vendor bonuses you get. So the vendor will give you some exclusive bonuses with my link. So you can see this. The first bonus is video marketing domination. The second bonus is Zoom master. The third bonus is modern blogging, YouTube authority, influencer secret. Sixth bonus is Udemy recurring income. 7th bonus is $10,726 case study. Storytelling marketing, WP YouTube leads, WP video commission. So these are the bonuses from vendors, and the exclusive bonuses for you is viral video WP theme, YouTube videos case study, I am niche sales letters, Freecom blueprint, image search secret, RBCAS, master pop-ups. This is the plugin. So buyer list blueprint, lead case study here, another case study, 3 steps to build 100k to 1 million per year business online. So these are the exclusive bonuses you get with my link, which is in the description below. So I will give you these 4 bonuses and the sales page, the link of the sales page, these bonuses I will give in the description. You can check it out. Okay, so these bonuses is yours. You have to click on these yellow buttons and you are redirected to this sales page. So this is the sales page specially curated for me. You can see this special bonus page for Apurvo's friend and subscribers. So this sales page is only for you. You have to click on these buttons, click here to get VidPerk and plus my special bonuses copy now. So you need to click on this button for getting the bonuses and getting the VidPerk software. This software is perfectly suitable for affiliate marketers, YouTube marketers, video marketers, e-com businesses, product owners, local businesses, semi-influencers, and anyone who use videos for any purpose. So this software is launches on 23rd of January 10 a.m. Eastern time. and the first front end price is only $37, only $37. OTO 1 is Vidperk Pro, which is $47. OTO 2 is Vidperk List, which is $47. OTO 3 Vidperk Agency. So you can get agency right with only just $197. So this is great deal, I hope. And you get 30 days of money back guarantee, so no need to think that you have to buy it and you didn't satisfy, you didn't return it. Okay, so they will give 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is Vidperk and how it is work. So go and check it out, the link which is in description. I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what Vidperk is and how can you increase your productivity with this software. So thank you guys. I hope you love the video. Just click on subscribe button for another review videos. Okay, so thank you guys. Bye.